and my interest for around 500 rupees in India. And this is the package. It is that. And you can see this is the fish of John C. Let's open this and I'll see. It's a very good and company which manufactures this and right. As you can see on the side we have this 10 years and same thing as here. And overall the print quality is very good in this t-shirt. And this is the 36 size. So guys, thank you for watching.